Digital intraoral scans are very beneficial for digital laboratories as they are very precise and accurate compared to the analog impressions. In my experience, I have received different impressions that were inaccurate, presented artifacts, and this doesn't occur with digital impressions as they are, as we said before, very accurate and very precise. Therefore, we can be sure that we are providing a predictable outcome. My daily work has been improved thanks to the introduction of the digital workflow. Today I can provide a treatment in less steps. For example, we do not cast impressions, we do not have to wait for the impressions to come in the lab. We receive a scan, we can design it, delivering the dentist and the patient with a fast and efficient treatment. If you consider going digital, speak to a digital lab to comprehend the benefits of the digital workflow and all the changes that you can implement during the treatment, improving the patient's experience and most importantly, your workflow.